Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can earn some extra income by doing small tasks on your mobile. So if you are new to this channel, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get into it. I will put a link in the description. You have to go to that link and download this app, and after that you have to install this app. And here you can just do micro works and you will earn some extra income. First of all, you have to create an account. So I will go to this, go to register. After that, here you have to enter your phone number. Congratulations, your account is created. And after that, here you can see if I go to my account, then my balance is 0 for now, and these are all the other details. So let's see how you can earn using this app. You have to go to this task, and here you can see that right now I have no any task. So for getting this task, you have to go to VIP, and here you can see that these are different accounts, and right now I am newbie. I will get 2 tasks daily, and if you want to get more tasks, then you have to activate your account, and these are the different packages. For host, you have to invest rupees 3500, and for influencer you can just invest 10,000. And here you can see for host you will get daily 5 tasks, and in influencer you will get daily 15 tasks. And if you want to invest more money, then you will get more tasks. And if you want to get more details about this app, then you have to go to this profit, and here you can just read about this. Right now I will show you how you can do a task. Here you have to go to this home, and here in the task hall you have to click on any of these accounts. So I will click on this YouTube, and here you can see that for newbie you will get daily 2 tasks, and for host you will get 5 tasks, and these are other details. As my account is newbie, so I will click on it and I will just receive this. After receiving my task, I have to go to this task option, and here I have to click on that link. The task is simple. You have to watch this YouTube Shorts video, and after that you have to like that video, and you have to subscribe that channel, and after that you have to take screenshot and submit here. Let's do it. So here you can see that my first task is completed, and same as it is, you have to open the second task, and you have to copy this link, and after that you have to go to this link and watch that YouTube Shorts video. Now just go to my profile, and here you can see that I have got 40 rupees for this task. So like this you can just complete different easy tasks and you can earn money. So if you want to get more tasks, then you can recharge to any of these accounts. And if you want to know how to recharge your account, then comment down below and I will make a separate video for that too. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. For more earning videos, please subscribe to our channel.